How to download YouTube app on PC. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Google Chrome. Open YouTube on there. Simply log into your YouTube account, then click on three dots on top right corner of your screen. Then scroll down till you find Cast, Save, and Share. And then click on Create Shortcut. Add shortcut name and then create. After you have done, you'll simply find YouTube on your front page. Simply click on it and it will directly lead you on YouTube app. This is how to download YouTube app on PC. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off. Until next time. Thank you.